Hello people, I am Rineet Kaur, a filmmaker, an inquisitive learner, an avid writer and a shopaholic. Welcome to my channel, Rineet's Choice. Since reading is love for me, so my first ever YouTube video is going to be about 10 books that have been adapted into films and are my absolute favorites. Okay, first of all, just to clear the air, this channel is not going to be a book channel despite of the wallpaper in the background. So before we proceed to the main agenda, go and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon right now. This is my command. So the books that I'm going to list out, you might have seen or read all of them, some of them or none of them. However, they may be beneficial for you to sort out your weekend. So the first book is Eat, Pray, Love by Elizabeth Gilbert. This book is about a journey of a woman who travels to all these wonderful places like India, Indonesia and Italy. And as you can see from the title itself, because it's so apparent that this book is about love, traveling, spirituality, food, and the book itself is available on Amazon and the film is available on Netflix that I am going to attach the links somewhere here. So I won't be telling you much about this book since I want you to discover the beauty on your own. I want you to savor it. So go watch this film on Netflix or anywhere or read this book. I don't know, but this is really good recommendation. Is it just me or do you guys also love the smell of books? If you're into action, fantasy and gory stuff, The Mortal Instruments, City of Bones is a very good book. It's the first book in the series and it's about this girl who discovers something from her past, enters into this world of vampires and shadow hunters, and there is going to be war, there is going to be discoveries, and there is going to be so much stuff going on. So this book is a real page turner and it's so nicely penned down. This book is available on all these shopping sites like Amazon, Flipkart. I could only find the film on Google Movies, but you can also search it on various other sites. So the next one is one of my favorite classics, Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. I hope it's visible to you guys, right? So I have so much history with this book. I have read it in my childhood. I've revived it in my college when I was doing bachelor's in English honors. And this book, if you haven't read this book, you're missing out on so much. Though there are many adaptations out there based on this book, like there is this Indianized version directed by Gurinder Chadha, which is called Pride and Prejudice. There's a vampire parody and there is a Korean version of it. So this book is about love, it's about society, it's about marriage, and there is this girl who is so feisty and fierce and who has such unique opinions about marriage. She is beyond all the societal rules and notions, and you will discover so much about her relationship with her family members as well as Mr. Darcy. So you really need to read this. So if you're into real drama, some glam, some glitz, this is the one for you. This is a tragic love story which is set in the 1920s. So when you're reading this book, you'll be taken back into the past. Now about the film. It is available on Netflix India and Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is in the film and he's been cast along these really great actors Leonardo DiCaprio and Tobey Maguire. The next book is The Fifth Wave by Mr. Rick Yancey. Now, this book is about alien invasion, natural catastrophe and the pandemic, and it's so relatable apart from the alien invasion, which I hope does not happen. The film is available on Netflix and it's a roller coaster ride which will keep you at the edge of your seat. So The Knife of Never Letting Go by Patrick Ness is the first book in the Chaos Walking series, and it's a must read because in this book everyone can hear everyone's thoughts, and the genre is post-apocalyptic and it's a world with no women, and You need to read this book. The film was to be released earlier this year, but due to this pandemic, the release was halted. And now I believe that it is going to be released online. And the film stars Tom Holland, our very own Spider-Man. So I'm quite excited. The next one is The Boy in Striped Pajamas by John Boyne. If you're into those emotional films which are based on World War II, then this is the one for you. Okay, so the story is like there's this Nazi family who shifts near a concentration camp, and the story goes on from there. And telling any more would do injustice to the film. It's about friendship, it's about revelation, it's about the horrors of reality, and it would sure as hell not let you sleep at night. And the film is available on Amazon Prime. If you're into hopeless romanticism, this is the book for you. P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahern. It's a journey of a woman whose life is devastated after the death of her fiancé. But she finds herself in situations which makes her cry, which makes her sing, which makes her so happy after she finds the notes that are left by him. And as she reads those notes, a new chapter of her life is unfolded. Now, I'm not sure where this movie is available, but if you search it wholeheartedly, I think you would be able to find it, if you know what I mean. So if you're into the suspenseful thriller kind of genre, where the story unfolds at every corner, Gone Girl is the one for you. Now, this bestseller has so much to offer. From a woman's journey of a happy married life to her disappearance, and to this amazing revelation where the story turns to a whole another level. I mean, this one is crazy. And the movie is equally good. The film is available on Netflix, and it has received various nominations at these big awards like the Golden Globes, the Oscars. Alright, so I've kept the best for the last. That is The 100-Foot Journey by Richard C. Maurice. Now, it's a journey which takes you from India to French countryside. While reading this book, you'll get this feeling of returning back to the comfort of your home after a long, tiring day. It's about love, it's about food, and it's about this beautiful, beautiful journey of an Indian man who, from working at these roadside eateries, lands up at this Michelin star restaurant, and then he discovers his own life, the value of family, the importance of home, and his true love. This film is available on YouTube, so you better check it out. And the music is extremely beautiful. It's composed by A.R. Rahman. I mean, either way, the book or the film, just don't miss it. So this sums up today's video, and I request you to please like, share and subscribe. I need at least 1,000 views and 1,000 likes likewise. I know I'm asking for too much, but please do, and drop your ideas about my next videos in the comment section, and what books you liked, what books you did not like, what books you personally prefer. Please support. Thank you very much.